Hello dear students, today we are going to study chapter number 9. I'll do that for you. Okay, here in this unit we are going to study and learn how to use will when we talk about the future and to make offers. Okay, when we are talking about future, we used will and shall. Okay, so now we are going to study about will. Learn when we offer to do something. We use I will plus verb. See dear students, here I and double L. It means I will. Okay. It is the short form used here. Okay. It is short form used over here. I will do that for you. I will make a list. Okay. I will it is. Okay. I will do that for you. So here we are going to see how here will is used. Okay, so first one, put this list in the correct order. See dear students, in the birthday some work is done. What are that? We are going to list it in order. Okay, it is not in order, we are going to list it in order, proper order. First one is given already. Fix a date immediately. When we are going to celebrate it, we will fix the date. Then second one is design an invitation card. To whom we are going to invite, we can make the invitation card and give them. And third, cook food and prepare the table. When they will come, what we will do for them? For the guest, we are going to cook food and prepare the table. Then fourth one, thank everyone for attending. When they are going, after attending the party, we thank everyone for attending the party. Then after all, finally what we do the clean our house, tidy and clean afterwards. Means after all have attended the party, we thank them, and after that, after thanking them, when they go, we clean the house. Okay, then next question, do you think with this list write definitely or probably? Do you agree with this list? Okay, so this list is there for the invitation party, so we are going to do that. We are going to discuss that which things are needed definitely or probably. Definitely means पक्का, ये काम पक्का होगा, मतलब ये चीज़ पक्का चाहिए ही चाहिए. Or probably means almost certainly. For example, I am telling you probably, meaning of probably, I will phone next week, probably on Sunday. Okay, so this is an example I am telling you. Food, definitely. Food is definitely needed. Balloons, probably. Music, probably. A cake, definitely. Without a cake, there will be no birthday party. We can't make a birthday party. Then guests, definitely. Without guests, how it will be a party? Then presents, probably. Okay, then next question. Make sentence and say them to a partner as shown. Here in the classroom it is discussed, so here we are not going to do this question. We are going to directly discuss question number D. Read notes of offers on the teacher's list. What did the students say? See here, the students are sitting here. In the first C question, they have discussed about what they have to do in the party, what work they are going to do. This boy is saying, I think we will probably need balloons. Then I think we will definitely need guests. Then I will design an invitation card. Okay, I will sing, I'll play some music, I will dance. Let's make a list for the party. How can you help? Okay, so here Neeraj is saying that an invitation card, he will make an invitation card, he will invite everybody. Then Aman says some music, he will play some music. Mala says she will sing a song. Okay, Then Sarah says that I will make a list of guests. Okay, so here these are the children, pictures of some children. I will make a list. First one is given. She's saying I'll make a list. See, Sarah is making a list. Then she will make, what she will do? She is Mala. She's a girl. Mala will sing a song. So I've written here, Mala will sing a song. Then I will design an invitation card. See, an invitation card, Neeraj. Then Aman, some music. I will play some music. So in this way you have to write it down in your books. Next question. Offer to help in this situation. Use these verbs. Dear students, in the help box some verbs are given. Here we have to use it. Okay. So which is suitable? I will carry your bag for you. I will open the door for you. I will find a chair for you. I will close that window. I'll make you a snack. I will show you. Okay. See here in the picture it is already given. Picture is given, what it is written here. The pictures are given here. You can see. I will carry your bag for you. She is carrying a bag. I will open the door for you. He has a snacks item or some food or something is there in the bag he is carrying, so he can't open the door. So someone says that I will open the door for you. Then there is no chair here. There are no chairs where the guest will sit. So I will find a chair for you. Then I will close the window. I will make you a snack. See here, snacks is I think snacks is very important when there is a party. So I will make you a snack. I'll show you. Okay, then he will show him. Next question. Question number G. Complete the sentence. Use think I will or I don't think I will and a verb from the box. See, you have to write I think I will do, I think I will, I don't think I will. Okay, and plus what? We have to use the verbs here and fill in the blanks. Okay, so the rain has stopped now. I think I will go out. Okay, go, here go is used. Okay, then this is an awful program. I don't think I will watch something else. This is awful. Awful means very nice program, good program. I think I will watch some, I don't think I will watch something else. Okay, third number. I am tired. I think I will play tennis today. Where is tennis? Oh, sorry, play. Here it is given play. I am hungry. I think I will have something to eat. Here it is given have. Okay, I think I will have something to eat. Then these jeans are too expensive. I don't think I will buy them. Buy it is given here. You can see. I don't think. Don't think and I think. So this you have to use here. I don't think I will buy them. Then next question 6. I will get dark. It's getting dark. I think I will switch the lights on. Switch. Here it is given. Okay. So I have used here. It's getting dark. I think I will switch the lights on. So dear students, this chapter, this is a very small chapter. It is completed. And you all have to fill in your books also. Okay. You have to fill your books in the same way as I have written in my book. You will write in your books and complete the chapter. Okay, thank you.